Now come to the uses of second mirror, that is convex mirror. And the property of the convex mirror is that it always produces erect image. Okay, wherever the object be on the principal axis in front of the reflecting surface of the convex mirror, it produces erect image. Okay, and we use this property of the convex mirror as rear view mirror in vehicles. Okay, in vehicles a rear view mirror is provided, okay, to see the traffic coming from the back. Okay, and we use this convex mirror as a rear view mirror in the vehicles. And the second use is street light. We use convex mirror in street light. Okay, since we know that uh, the light rays incident on the convex mirror like so, okay, then it diverges the light. Okay, the reflected rays diverging in nature. When the incoming light rays are like so, means the incoming light rays are coming from a light source, a point light source, then after reflection the light rays are diverging in nature. So we use this property of convex mirror in a street lamp or a street light. How it works? There is a light source or light bulb in front of the reflecting surface of a concave mirror. Then the light coming from the light source after reflection diverges, okay, over a large area. So there is a large illuminated area below the street lamp. Okay, so this diverging property of the concave mirror is used in a street light. Okay, so these are the two important applications of convex mirror. Okay, so note it down.